guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'll be using the Pussy palette from GAELLE Cosmetics. GAELLE, man, I say GAELLE, but I think it's GAELLE Cosmetics. This is the tutorial. Really nice and simple daytime glam. Well, daytime glam for me. Enjoy the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is LyricRochester. This has been a long time coming. I'm going to be using my Pussy palette and look it, it's all messed up. A little girl, she really loves makeup and she saw the palette and she's like, oh my god, I love the colors. I'm like, you know what, have at it. So I'm just going to be doing like a simple smoky eye today. So I'm going to be taking, what color is this? Queen. Let me see. Yeah, I'm going to be taking Queen, which is this brown right here, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. Now I do have hooded eyes, so I like to kind of carve out my crease. I like when my brow bone is exaggerated, so I'm just blending that right in my crease. So I found that I have not done makeup in such a long time, but this palette, oh my gosh, I love the colors. I love how it blends. I love it that it's black owned. I love everything about it. But the color payoff is absolutely phenomenal. See how easily it blends? I love it, love it, love it. Okay, let me add some more right in the crease here. Alright. Okay, so next I'm going to be taking Goddess. And Goddess is that black. That's right there, and I'm going to be going right in my crease, in my outer V. See, right at just at the ends, right here. And I'm going to kind of feather it a little bit over and like up a little bit. See? Same thing for the other eye, and I'm using the same brush, you guys. Have not deviated. Blend up a little bit. Good. Nice. Okay, so now I'm going to clean off the brush a little bit, and then I'm going to be going in with, let's go in with Tweety. I'm going to be using the side of the brush. So this is like a dome brush. So you see how the eyeshadow is on one side? I'm going to take that and just put it right at the beginning here, kind of feathering it, and then feathering the rest on my lid. Then blend up. When I say blend up, I mean like pull the color up to kind of blend it out. Nice. So I'm going back in with Goddess. That's the black, and I'm using the tip of the brush this time, not the side, using the tip. And I'm going back in. This eye look is going to be extremely simple. Nothing too extra. Goddess again. Other side. Then lightly like pull it to the middle. Okay, so then I'm going to be lining my eyes with my LA Pro primer in black. I need to get to a beauty supply store if buy back one more than here. So it's my Pro primer in black, but look like it done. It done. So I'm going to be using this brush to get all up in there. I'm going to put it on my lash line. See, a lash line, that's where lashes grow from, and the waterline is the inside. So this is your waterline here, and your lash line is just beneath that, and that's where your lashes grow from. So I'm putting this both on my lash line, and I'm getting it on my waterline as well. and I'm just doing like half. If you can see glue on my eyelid, no you can't. So I'm going to bring this down a bit. Right, and then kind of round it into the crease like that, just for continuity. Cute. Then I'm going to be taking the brush I used to do my my eyebrows. It's an angle brush, perfect. And I'm going to be taking nude. So I have the LA Pro Primer in black. I'm going to just use, and I'm going to be using nude now. And I'm going to be getting it right on the side of the brush. Then I'm going to be applying on my waterline and lash line. Same thing I did with the black, but with the nude. Going back in. Okay, so I have that. So now we're going to be taking, where's my brush? Oh, it's dark. I use the dark. So I'm going to be taking this brush, but look, there's blue on it. So I'm going to go ahead and use Divine. It's this color here. Putting it right at the beginning. Clean off the brush a little bit, and then I'm going in with, let's do Chica. Chica is this color here. And I'm putting it right where I applied the nude. So I'm putting it on top of the nude. Sorry about that, you guys. Then I'm going in with the same brush I used to apply the LA Pro Primer in black. And I'm going to be taking Goddess, and Goddess is the black, on my waterline and lash line. So I start by just kind of wiping it on, then I go back in and pat it on. Alright, I'm going to clean this brush off a bit because the black is on it. Now let me use another brush. Right, so this is the brush I used to do, see that? That I used to do my brows, to set my brows. So I'm going to use that and blend out the edges here and along here, just so that there are no harsh lines. So this is more like daytime smoky, daytime glam. And for my lashes, I'm taking Glam Her lashes. They're luxurious mink lashes, and they're from Eldiva MUA on FB and on Instagram. And this is what they look like. I have been wearing them. I absolutely love them. Oh. So this is the glue that she gave me from Eldiva. So yeah, it's like a glue with the stick thing. So I'm just applying it. See, there. I'm just applying it on the lash. What I like to do is wait for this to dry down a little bit, and then I go in again with another coat if I want it to last all day. I realize that if I just do one coat and just I put it straight on, it lifts. So in order for it to stay on my eyes, I actually have to put on a coat, let it dry down, and put on another coat. It's like when you're applying your lace glue, you know. So this liquid lip is also from GAELLE Cosmetics, and it's actually called Dutty Wine. Okay, so I've Dutty Wine per month. And forgive that bit of fallout on my nose. You see that? That fallout on from the eyeshadow. Yeah. I love how this eye look came out. It photographs so nicely, especially like with the lashes on. It photographs really nicely. But back to the liquid lip. It is matte. It dries down matte, and I love how it wears. Of course, you know, when you eat, it comes off, but I love how it wears. I love how it photographs. I like this kind of like burgundy, like deep burgundy kind of red. It's almost brown. It is just absolutely phenomenal. It goes on smoothly. As you can see, I'm still working with it. It doesn't dry, you know, like immediately. I have time to work with it. I have time to put it where I want it to go. I have time to clean up my edges, and that's what I like in a liquid lip. And then it dries completely matte. Come on now. Come on, Gail. Girl, you know your thing is fire, baby. Look at that. Look at how everything is just sitting so nicely together. My brows, the lashes came in nicely with the look, the eyeshadow, the lips. Oh, this is also from GAELLE Cosmetics. It's their highlighter called Gleam. And let me tell you, there's something about like a bronze highlighter on dark skin, baby. Look at it. It's like it's melting into the skin. It's absolutely, this is an e.l.f. fluffy brush. It is, I've had this brush for years. It is melting into the skin, my boy. And for blush, I'm also going to be using the makeup palette. I love using eyeshadows for blush. I love using eyeshadows for blush. I love using eyeshadows for blush. And this is no exception. But look at this glow. Look at this gleam. That's the name of it, gleam. Look at this gleam, honey. I was on the phone talking to Jonathan. Look at this gleam. Oh, so you see like where it stops harshly there, the blush, the highlight. When I turn my face, that's where I usually put my blush so that everything kind of just meshes well together. Everything seams well together, and yeah, everything just works together. So yeah, I'm using the eyeshadow as usual as blush. And if you're new to my channel, I'm so long. Sorry it took me this long to introduce you, but hello, hi. This is the finished look, you guys. I love it. I went to a birthday brunch this day. It wore so well. I have a live right now on my Instagram with this exact look. You can see what it looks like in real life. Even the little outfit of the day on the live as well. It wears so nicely. So nicely. The lips, the lashes, the eyes, the eyebrows. Yes, ma'am. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, to subscribe, and also, yeah, click the thumbs up button. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm back on YouTube, I guess.